little muscle here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1972 Chevelle SS Tribute, two-door hardtop. Big block power underneath the hood, 454. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. 350 to be exact. Power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the front grille, headlight bezels, chrome in the front bumper. Kind of a medium gray metallic with the wine colored stripes. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see the car from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Cooper Cobra radials. The old classic 5-spoke chrome wheel. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. There's a few spots here and there where there's a blemish of the paint or a touch-up spot right there, and I will point out a few as we go around. Bucket seat interior, black vinyl, red piping, kind of match the deck stripe. Center console, there's your automatic shifter, aftermarket stereo, that is working. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. You can see a little bit of cracking kind of in the paint, a little spot down here. Still be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Hey, just taking it out and driving it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Does have dual exhaust with headers. Wipers do work. Does have a new battery. Technician noted some minor powertrain seat. Brakes are 80% in the front, 70% in the rear. 373 rear gear ratio with posi traction. Also newer tires. And once again, all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com as we take a look down this driver's side. If you like muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We get plenty of those through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Here you can see some more of the red highlight or wine colored highlights on the interior. Driver's seat, I have not noticed any real major rips, tears, holes. Headliner looking good. Little cup holder. Some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. I think we need to fire this up. Alright, as you can see, oil pressure. I guess let me get into focus. Oil pressure, water temp. One of the sales gentlemen just had this out, taken for a drive to show a customer. A little video on it driving himself, so it is up to temperature. RPM. Dash looks good. Slip around to the back to listen to this. This does have the fast EFI system on it. You're going to see that when we pop the hood in a second. There's a little rumble, no doubt about that. Let me pause this a second. We'll get this hood open. Check out that big block. All right, there's a peek at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. Aluminum radiator. Power brakes, I can't remember if I mentioned power steering before. Power steering, AC. HEI ignition. I know I mentioned those headers. Edelbrock, RPM intake manifold looks like. There's some muscle for you. 1972 Chevrolet SS Tribute. two-door hardtop. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1972 Chevrolet. This would be a Chevelle body. The style of one of the most popular muscle cars in the world, I must say. This is an automatic. The shifter is a horseshoe style shifter on the center console. Definitely a powerful shift as it broke the tires loose going into second. The speedometer says 60 miles an hour. That might be correct. It's close. The windshield wipers do work. Stereo also works. Kenwood. Oil pressure gauge down below the dash showing 70 psi. That is healthy oil pressure. The water temperature at 160. And we have a tachometer from auto gauge. That is working down there as well. The fuel gauge reads 1/4 of a tank. Controllers for air conditioning from Vintage Air. Aftermarket Pilot steering wheel. Nice shape for good grip. I do push the brakes firmly to stop, but they are nice and smooth. It's got corners easily. Excellent power steering. Beautiful black and red interior, kind of a gunmetal gray and red